Speaking of Anne, let's find out more about her in her own words. Here now, Commander Anne McClain.
When I get asked why we explore, oftentimes I think, what would our society look like if we didn't explore? What would our society look like if we didn't ask what was over the next hill, what was across that ocean, and for us now, what's beyond our planet? My name is Colonel Anne McClain, and I'm the commander of NASA's SpaceX Crew-10 mission to the International Space Station. I was 3 years old when I first told my family that I wanted to become an astronaut, and I'm fortunate that no one of my family told me that it wasn't possible to do. They all said, that's going to be a lot of work, and they were right. But they were ready to support me every step of the way. They reminded me of my dreams if I started to get discouraged, because it is a long and challenging road. One thing I knew about becoming an astronaut is that not a lot of people get to do it. It was important to me to choose a career that I was going to love and be fulfilled in, regardless of my selection to becoming an astronaut. So I chose to serve my country as a helicopter pilot and an officer in the United States Army. I still am an active duty officer in the Army. It's something that brings me a lot of meaning to be able to serve the American people in that manner. And it's something that I would be doing still every day if I was not fortunate enough to wear this blue suit. This is my second flight to the International Space Station. I think on your first flight, there's a lot of unknowns, right? You don't know how it's going to feel to go to space. You're very focused on making sure that you know your stuff.